Okay, so today we're going to combine like terms and solve. Today we're going to combine like terms and actually solve. Okay, so it goes to what we've been learning right before the Thanksgiving break. So let's say we have 3x plus 10 plus 2x minus 5 is equal to, let's say, 50, 50. Say 50. Okay. So now, because it has an equal sign, now I can solve for the variable. But before we solve, we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to combine what is the same, what is it like term, simplify our equation before we start solving it. Okay, so we have the bars here. So on this side, what two things can I put together? What two things are like terms?
3x and 2x.
Yes, thank you. I was like, are you guys there? I can put these two together. The 3x and the 2x. What's 3x plus 2x? 5x. 5x, thank you. Plus, then what else? I can, so that's it with the x's. And now I can bubble in the plus 10 and the minus 5. So what do I get when I combine the 10 minus 5? 5. Good, thank you. I see it in the chat. Is still equal to 50. Nothing has happened on this side. Now we're going to solve it just like we did, like, I don't know, like 3-4 weeks ago. So which number do I move first? The one with the 5x or the plus 5?
Plus 5.
Plus 5, very good. So if it says here plus 5, we are going to go minus 5, right? Minus 5 on both sides. So we have 50 minus 5, which is 45, is equal to, this ends up being a 0, no longer there. We're just left with 5x, so we bring that down, okay? Brought that down, that equals 0. So how do I break up the 5x? We just have to divide by 5, divide by 5. So we have x equals 9. So again, I taught you how to do this part like a long time ago. This part we learned right before we went to Thanksgiving break. So we're putting together, 2-3 things that we've learned all into one. Any immediate questions so far? Okay. 3m plus 12 plus m plus 4 equals, let's do 40. I don't know what that's going to give us. I'm trying to do mental math, but I don't know. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to draw the bars just to keep everything separate. Now, on this side, what can we put together? What is like terms? What is similar? What is alike? So we have 3m plus a single m. Now, do you guys remember right before Thanksgiving break, I told you what's the number in front of the m that's invisible, but it's there? A 1, right? So there's an invisible 1 right here. We don't see it. We usually don't write it down. So what's 3m plus m?
4m.
4m. Do not write 3m again. It's 4m because you have that additional m. Plus, now what's not circled? Oh, I have the 12 plus 12, and the plus 4. So what's 12 plus 4? 16, good, is equal to 40. Now from there you solve it and you realize, do I move the 4 or do I move the 16? Remember, we got to move the number that's furthest away from your variable. The number furthest away on the same side would be 16. So if it says here plus 16, you're going to minus 16, minus 16. So our last step is to divide by 4, divide by 4. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. We okay? I'm trying to stay away from the negatives as much as possible. Just trying to make it nice and simple, clear for you today. All right. Okay. 5y plus 18 minus 3y minus 6 equals 60. Now, these are subtractions. I said I would stay away from the negatives. So these are not negatives, these are subtraction signs. It's still within the category of easy, level 1. So I'm going to put my y's together. Now be careful because it says right here a minus 3y. So what is 5y minus 3y?
8y.
So 5y minus 5y minus 3y. 2y. 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 Because it has a minus. So you got to take it away. Then we have 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 12. It's a positive 12. So we're going to put plus 12 equals 60. So 2y plus 12 equals 60. From here, this is now basic math right here. Basic math right here. A reminder, you're going to be solving equations for like the rest of your math career. They just get longer and harder. So we're going to subtract 12 on both sides. 60 minus 12 is 48. Divided by 2, divided by 2. What's 48 divided by 2? 48 divided by 2. Yep, 24. All right, are there any questions?